Good morning, I'm Abby Phillips of the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished Tuesday marginally lower as investors grappled with ongoing concerns about a potential rise in interest rates and processed this week's latest earning reports. The S&P 500 closed down 0.05%. This marked the broad market index's first consecutive loss since early September. The Dow slipped 0.02%, also experiencing its second straight losing day. In contrast, the Nasdaq Composite outperformed with a gain of 0.18%. Earlier in the day, the yield on the US 10-year Treasury note rose above 4.2% for the first time in about 3 months before retreating slightly. Cautious remarks from Federal Reserve officials regarding the timeline for interest rate cuts have contributed to the increase in yields. Home building stocks fell due to ongoing concerns about prolonged high rates, with Lennar and D.R. Horton each declining by 3%. Traders are closely watching a new round of earnings reports set to be released this week, including Tesla and Coca-Cola on Wednesday and Honeywell on Thursday. So far, about 1/5 of the S&P 500 companies have reported their results, with the majority exceeding earnings expectations, according to FactSet. Looking at the S&P 500 sectors, the performance was mixed. Consumer staples emerged as the top performer, while industrials lagged behind. In company news, General Motors surged nearly 10% after surpassing Wall Street's third quarter expectations and raising its full-year guidance. Philip Morris also jumped roughly 10% after increasing its annual profit forecast, while Verizon fell 5% after its total revenue narrowly missed analysts' expectations. Lockheed Martin shares dropped 6% following a lower than expected quarterly sales. Looking at the local market, the SPY futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.